Hello, welcome to lesson 19. We're still going to learn about minor chords. This is the part 2 of the minor chords. We said you have two formulas on how to form a minor chord. Before we dive into that, kindly subscribe to this channel if you are new, and let's grow together. Thank you so much. So minor chord. We say the first formula, you take the major chord, then you flatten the middle note. The second formula, you take the root note plus minor third plus major third. We said earlier minor third is equivalent to 3 half steps. Major third is equivalent to 4 half steps. So today we're starting with C sharp minor. You want to create a C sharp minor. So this is our C sharp or D flat. So the first formula, we take our C sharp major. Our middle note is F, so we flatten the middle note. When we flatten F, we get E. There we have our C sharp minor chord. It's also called as D flat minor. So we have D flat, E, and F flat. That is it. That's the first formula. So the second formula, from C sharp, we count 3 half steps, 1, 2, 3. From the middle note, we count another 4 half steps, 1, 2, 3, and 4. There, we still have the same notes, D flat, E, and F flat. So C sharp is also known as D flat. So you can call this C sharp minor or D flat minor. Okay, let's go to the next. D sharp or E flat. So we've said the first formula, you take E flat major. This is E flat major. So we flatten the middle note. The middle note we have G. So when you flatten G, we get G flat. There we have our E flat minor or D sharp minor. So we have our D sharp, F sharp, and A sharp. In other words, we have E flat, G flat, and B flat. That's the first formula. So the second formula, from our E flat, we count 3 half steps, 1, 2, 3. From there, we count another 4 half steps, 1, 2, 3, and 4. It has still given us the same notes. So we have our E flat, G flat, and B flat. That's our E flat minor or D sharp minor. So you go to F sharp. This is our F sharp, the most common played key. F sharp or G flat. So the first formula, F sharp major, then we flatten the middle note. Our middle note is B flat. When you flatten B flat, we get A. Right? So there we have our F sharp minor, also known as G flat minor. So you have F sharp, A, and C sharp. But you can see on my screen it's displaying G flat, A, and D flat. Basically the same notes, just different naming. Good. The second formula, we've said from the root note, which is this F sharp, we count 3 half steps, 1, 2, 3. Then from there we count another 4 half steps, 1, 2, 3, and 4. There we still have our F sharp minor or G flat minor, which is F sharp, A, and D flat. We go to G sharp minor. This is our G sharp minor or F flat. This is our G sharp or F flat. G sharp or F flat. The first formula says we take the major chord. This is the major chord, G sharp major or F flat major. Take the major chord, then we flatten the middle note. You notice our middle note is C. So when we flatten C, we'll have B. So there we have our G sharp minor or F flat minor. So we have F flat, B, and E flat. The second formula says from G sharp, we we count 3 half steps, 1, 2, 3. From here we count another 4 half steps, 1, 2, 3, and 4. There we still have the same notes. That's G sharp minor or A flat minor. We have G sharp, we have B and D sharp. Just use the notes displayed above. We go to A sharp or B flat. The first formula, we take the major chord, then flatten the middle note. This is our B flat major or A sharp major. Our middle note is D. So when we flatten the middle note, when we flatten our D, we get D flat. There we have our A sharp minor. A sharp minor or B flat minor. So we have B flat, D flat, and F. That's the first formula. So the second formula says from our A sharp, we count 3 half steps. This is the first one, the second, and the third one. From here, we count 4 half steps, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Still have the same notes. Yes, B flat, D flat, and F. And that is it. Thank you so much for following through. If you have any question, any topic, any song maybe you want me to play, just comment there below and I'll get back to you. Thank you so much.